How to find a personal injury lawyer near me. Start by explaining that hiring the right personal injury lawyer is crucial to the success of your case. A good lawyer can help you navigate the legal process, negotiate with insurance companies, and fighting for the compensation you deserve, emphasizing that finding a local lawyer who specialized in personal injury law is a smart choice since they will be familiar with the local law and court procedures. Start with referrals. Suggest starting the search by asking family, friends, or colleagues for recommendations. Personal referrals can be a great way to find a trusted lawyer. Explain that people who have been throughout similar situation can give you insight into their experience and recommended lawyer they trust. Encourage the audience to ask about the lawyer's communication style, expertise, and success rate with personal injury case. Use online legal directories. Recommended checking online legal directories to find personal injury lawyer in your area. Popular directories like Abo, FindLaw, and Mart India, Induled, Hubbled allow user to search by location and area of practice. Mention that these platforms provide useful information such as lawyer review, rating, and detailed profile. This will help the audience compare different lawyers and find one who fits their needs. Advise reading client review carefully to get a sense of how the lawyer treat clients and handle cases. Check for local bar association website. Suggest visiting the website of your state or local bar association. These websites often have lawyer referral service that can connect you with qualified personal injury attorney in your area. Explain that using a bar association referral service ensure that the lawyer is in good standing with the bar and has the necessary credentials to practice law. Some bar associations also offer free initial consultation, which can be a great way to meet with a lawyer before committing. Search online. for local law firms. Advise the audience to search online for law firm that are specialized in personal injury case near them. Many law firms have websites that provide information about their practice areas, case results, and client testimonials. Suggest looking for firms that offer free consultation, as this allows you to speak with a lawyer without financial commitment and evaluate whether they are a good fit for your case. Remind the audience to check the lawyer experience in personal injury law and ensure they handle case similar to their car accident, slip and fall, workplace injuries, etc. Consider the lawyer experience and reputation. Explain that it is important to find a lawyer with experience in personal injury law. The more experience they have handling similar case, the better they will be at representing your interest. Advise the audience to look for lawyer with a good reputation in the legal community. A strong track record of winning case and securing fair compensation for client is a good indicator of the lawyer's ability to handle their case effectively. Encourage them to check for any disciplinary issues by looking up the lawyer's record with the state bar. Recap the key points. Start with referrals. Use online directories. Check local bar association website. Search for law firm online and consider the lawyer experience and reputation. Remind the audience that finding the right personal injury lawyers can make a significant difference in the outcomes of their case. Encourage them to take their time, do research, and meet with a few lawyers before making a financial decision. Thanks for watching these videos.